Have you ever wanted to customize your own wig? Well, now you can with the CRAYOLA washable markers. Turn your wig into a masterpiece by simply using stencils and the airbrush tool, or freehand your design with just the markers. Customize your wig for any event from Halloween to 4th of July, or just let your creativity fly for an upcoming party. You can even use them to support your favorite sports team.
Go the Rams!
And here's the best part. Our CRAYOLA wig range is washable, so you can create, wear, wash, and reuse your wig as many times as you'd like. No soap needed, just water, and it's good as new. Our wigs are fully adjustable, so they fit both adults and kids. It's the perfect way for kids to express their creativity by airbrushing, drawing, then wearing their own designs. The only limit is your imagination. Our wigs are heat resistant, even with the markers, so you can curl them to create the exact look you want. No need to buy a new wig for every occasion. Just color, wear, wash, and repeat. The possibilities are endless. We can't wait to see what you come up with.